Students, in this video we are going to explain how to simplify a Boolean algebraic expressions. ठीक है, Boolean why we need to simplify Boolean algebraic expression. Suppose we have a long Boolean expression. All of you do many logic diagram and truth table expression. You know what is Boolean expressions. So if we get the same results, suppose we have a long expression like this way. Suppose a b bar c, a b plus a bar b bar c plus c. Suppose after getting the truth table, we get a truth table through this Boolean expression. If we get the same value, this is a Boolean expression, its logic gates must be very complex because there are so many and, nor, and or operations. So if we get the same result by simplifying this expression, suppose like this way, a b bar plus a c bar. So the logic expressions of this logic gate expression and truth table of this Boolean expression is much simpler than the logic expression of this. So if we get the same result by using this logic expression, so it is easier to create the logic circuit diagram of this expression. So that's why we need simplification. So after simplifications we get this expression. So okay, so that's why we need Boolean expression. So in order to do simplifying Boolean expression, we use different properties of Boolean algebra which we have already studied. Let's see an example. For example, suppose a b bar b bar plus b. These are Boolean expression. Now we have to simplify this. First of all, you can see that you can use, it is not that any two of you have to use the same process to simplifying. Anyone can use any law, anything to simplify this expression, but you have to use proper law. So what law we can use? First of all, this is a dot b whole bar. This is an using De Morgan's law we can break this expression. So at first I am breaking this expression like this way. A dot b whole bar means a bar plus b bar, and I left it as it is. Again, we know that b bar plus b, in our one law of Boolean expression, a bar plus a is 1 and a bar dot a is 0. Dual of this, just mind it. Everything which we have learned we use in simplifying these Boolean expressions. Okay, so here b bar plus b, that means it is 1. Okay, now here you can see a bar plus b bar dot a bar plus b and dot 1. Dot 1 means anything dot 1 is equals to a. This is also one Boolean algebra law. So here our left is a bar b bar, a bar plus b. Now we do simply our multiplication. Multiplication means like this way. Suppose xy ab. So we multiply like this way, xab plus yab, xa xb plus ya yb. Okay, I am using this rule. That means a bar dot a bar plus a bar dot b plus b bar dot a bar plus b bar dot b. Okay, a bar dot a bar, again one law, a bar dot a means a, so obviously a bar dot a bar means a bar plus a bar b. Here also b bar dot a bar means we can write a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot b means a bar dot a is 0, so b bar dot b is 0. We have to remember this law that I have to say. Okay, I am just using this law and break one by one. Now here we can take common a bar between these two, then it is 1 plus b bar plus a bar b bar left as it is, plus 0 means anything with 0, that means a plus 0 equals to a. So anything with 0 plus it is a, so we can omit 0. Now 1 plus b. 1 plus b means a dot 1 equals to a. Okay, so if we do a plus 1, anything plus with 1, it is 1. Is not it? Anything plus 1 is 1. So a bar dot b plus 1 is 1 plus a bar dot b bar. So a bar, again anything a bar dot 1 equals to a bar. So it is a bar dot 1 means a bar plus a bar dot b bar. Again we can take common a bar, 1 plus b bar. Again 1 plus b bar means anything with plus with 1, it is 1, so a bar dot 1 equals to a bar. Okay, so you can see that this is our original expressions, and after simplifying we get only a bar. So this is how we have to simplify any Boolean expression. Just step by step we have to use the law, either plus or minus or using De Morgan's theorem. Mainly you have to remember a dot a plus 0, a bar dot a dot 1 equals to a. You have to remember these rules. Okay, again I am doing another example. Suppose this one, a plus c, ad plus ad bar plus ac plus c. Okay, so at first we have to say whether we can take any variable common, then we can do process further. So here this, from these two term we can take common c, and in this term we can take common a, because a dot d plus a dot d bar, so we can common a. Now a plus c is left as it is, and here I am taking common a, d plus d bar plus, after taking c as common, a plus 1. Okay, now a plus a bar equals to 1 and a dot a bar equals to 0, dual of this. Okay, I have stated in the previous example, you have to remember this one, This is very important in simplifying. So A dot D plus D bar means 1 plus again C plus A plus 1. Anything plus with 1 or operation with 1, it is 1. 1. A plus C dot A in dot 1. So anything dot with 1 is, it returns A. Okay. So it also A, C dot 1, C. Now we have to break this. Just break one by one as in simplified form. A dot A plus A dot C plus C. So A dot A means A. We can take C common from this expression, C, A plus 1. So A plus C, A plus 1 means 1. Anything odd operation with 1 is 1. So A plus C dot 1 means C. This is our answer. Okay. Like this way, we can simplify any Boolean expression step by step. Just you have to see if there is any complemented form, then we have to break it using De Morgan's theorem. If we can take any common value, we can have to take common that value and do further progress. And if there is any multiplication form, we have to do multiplication like normal our algebraic multiplications. Then we have to do process further. And all the Booleans rules, Boolean laws can be used here to simplify a Boolean expressions. Okay. So like this way, we can simplify any Boolean expressions. Clear?